Good morning, good morning. Today we're taking a look at Aura here on the XRPL. So Aura had a pretty good reaction right off of that 236 fib and was ultimately able to get a really clean bounce, but it got resistance right here at the 382 fib and has since slowly rolled over on the daily chart here and is now back testing this region again. So what we would like to see in a perfect world is, if you're lucky, we get about a 98.7 price action, set a low and then a lower low and then a higher low, and that would be the completion of a wave 1, wave 2 setup here, which will ultimately send us higher. So this is basically the setup that we've been expecting, kind of looking for. So we're basically doing a more dramatic pullback than I was anticipating, but it still looks like that we're going to ultimately play out the same way. So probably just a little bit more would be my guess at that higher low, do that inverted head and shoulders pattern, low, lower low, higher low, bam, we're out of here. And that's ultimately what we'll be watching and waiting for as we move forward. So if you haven't loaded up on your bags yet and you want more Aura, well, at 105K market cap, you're going to be doing great in that region, especially if we move back up to the 618. So if we get this from our current price action, a 216% return, popping off those lows. So, all right, guys, we'll check in tomorrow, and thanks so much for watching.